very warm welcome to everyone. I welcome you all to the Rewired episode 4. Here we have the winning team of Deloitte Techno Utsav CCTC thread. So I would request you all to give a brief introduction of yourself.
Hello Kapish, I am Namanpreet Singh. Currently I am pursuing a BE in Information Technology from Punjab University Chandigarh, and currently I am in 4th year.
Hello Kapish, this is Rajat. Currently I am pursuing my BE from UAE 3rd year Information Technology.
Hi Kapish, my name is Arthur Gupta. So I am pursuing my BE Information Technology. We all three are from same class only, IT section 2 in 4th year. And basically I'm from Jammu.
Great. I came to know that you got the PPO from Deloitte. That's amazing thing. Basically, this interview will be watched by everyone, like from first year to third year students. For those who don't know about what is the hackathon. First, I would like you to tell us that what is a hackathon and what is now Deloitte Techno Utsav.
Let me add a point in this. Like when I was in first year, I didn't have any knowledge about what hackathon is. So I used to think that we have to hack things or hack computers because of the name.
Hackathon is basically like a competition at the end of which you have to make a working prototype or maybe a full-fledged project, whichever might be possible with the time constraints. So the basic idea of it is that you have to basically work in a team and you have to show team coordination and build something at the end of it. You should be learning it.
So is
Yes.
Techno Utsav is also a type of hackathon, or is there is something difference between those?
Yeah, you can say it's a type of hackathon, but it was spread over a large amount of time. It lasted for around 6 months, in which we had to go through 4 rounds. Actually, we were initially we had like an aptitude test which we had to give individually. So after clearing that, whoever students have cleared that, they have to choose one of the thread from Techno Utsav. Basically, Techno Utsav had 2 threads. One is Techie and one is CCTC. Techie had challenges related to IoT, machine learning, robotic process automation, and basically it was more like a coding challenge. And CCTC was more like application of cybersecurity practices. As we both three had, means all three had cleared aptitude rounds. So we decided on making a team together, and we all were interested in cybersecurity. That's why we took CCTC.
Who can participate and what is the eligibility criteria? Is there something particular eligibility criteria, like only third year students can participate or something like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
only third year students can participate in it, and it will be like a link will be sent to third year students. In which Deloitte come for campus placement basically. So link will be sent to TPC. They will forward you to students, and then you can register for it. So it will conduct an basic aptitude test. If you clear it, then it is an elimination round. If you clear it, then you have to form team. You have to choose your team members and reply within a week or something with a team name and team members.
Okay, so in which semester were you three, like when you applied for that? Because you told now it is spread over 6 months. So in this, there will be a transition of semester also. You might be in. So in which semester it was started?
So at that time we were in, I guess, 6th semester.
We received the link in January, and then we had the aptitude test in
I guess it was
second
in
week of
February.
February.
So what are the skills
There is-
required?
First of all, there are many types of hackathons, so you'll have to figure out that which way you have to go, and you must have been working on some core skills throughout your engineering. So it would be, if you have to like win the hackathon, so it would be good to participate in one that you have some previous knowledge about. But for CCTC itself, I would say that you require basic technical skills that one should have, and some knowledge about computer science and its subjects such as computer networks and databases, software engineering, and also some knowledge about cybersecurity.
Can you specify few topics, like which languages should a first year IT student should go through?
This is kind of like a very specific kind of hackathon in which we had to solve challenges related to cybersecurity only. So it was centered on cybersecurity. But for any kind of general hackathon, basically there are 2 types of hackathons: one is software hackathon and hardware hackathon. So you have so you have to decide that which one is your preference, whether software or hardware. And as I am more versed with software, so I'll go on with that. So in software, you may learn any technology like Android Studio or machine learning or anything, through which you can make a working project within 1 or 2 days, because hackathons are generally like that, because you have to, it lasts over a night or 2 days maybe, and at the end of it you have to make a working prototype. So you can learn any of those technologies which can be used to make a project. Moreover, you have to form a team, so you can have teammates from multiple domains through which you can combine their expertise and create something innovative.
Like if you have a hackathon in which you have to build a working prototype, okay, so you will pick a member from triple E, from EC, from IT and CSE for coding. The triple E one will have basic knowledge of Arduino, so he will code that, and he will form a working prototype, and the software one will make an app or something like that, so you can show it user interface basically. So you have to pick team members from all the domains, and the best choice will be if you form a team in first year and go with that team throughout your college course.
Yeah, basically in these kind of competitions you need to have good team coordination.
Yes, yes, yes.
And you really have to be knowing that which of your teammate has what strengths, and you need to be exploiting that.
You need to know if you order your teammate to work on this, so like
He should be willing to take up
he
your
should be
order and
willing
work
to,
on it.
he shouldn't get offended or something like that.
So all three were you starting from first year, you formed a team like?
Yeah,
Yeah, we were
actually
kind of type of roommates also, and they two are from same city.
we
Yeah,
we are best friends, so
yeah.
we took up a project in our first year actually. So from that we built our team.
Okay. So who was the like the Hitler one कि भाई ये काम तो time पे करना ही है, like who was keeping the team on
Yeah,
schedule?
that will be our team captain, Rajat Jan.
Yeah.
Rajat
I,
Jan, do you want to add something?
no, it's not like that. We actually had very great team coordination, and we were ready to take up the work willingly, and we were ready to complete that by whatever deadline we had. So that's, I guess, one of the reasons that we were able to win that competition.
Yeah, actually we had a clear goal that we have to win this competition, and we actually knew from our seniors that we will get PP or PPI at the end, and there is a cash prize also which is added one. So there was a clear goal, and we all had to work together to get that. So it was a common goal, and it requires team coordination. And if you are participating in a 2-day hackathon, which is organized in a college also or any other college, so in that you need to have a mentor. You need to ask a senior what was the previous year experience of him. So it will guide you, and then you have to make a goal that you have to win or be at first three winners. Like we had our motto UIT at top.
What were the stages involved in this Deloitte Techno Utsav, and what was the duration of each stage, and what things were involved stage wise? Can you please give us details about these?
Okay, so the very first round was an aptitude round, which had like logical reasoning, verbal ability, basic aptitude questions that you all must be familiar with. So yeah, first round was that we had to give that individually, and we have to clear that. After clearing that, the selected students had to uh, select one of the threads from two, or maybe they also had the option of selecting both of the threads, that is Techie and CCTC. Techie is more favorable if you have interest in some particular technology such as IoT or machine learning, whereas CCTC is specifically driven towards cybersecurity. So yeah, so we chose CCTC, and after that there was round 2.1, which was a round basically which tested uh, basic,
Effective.
cybersecurity knowledge, basic technical aptitude. It had questions related to cybersecurity, cloud, software engineering, and basic coding questions also based on C++ and Java. Okay, so you had to clear that. After that, there was round 2.2, which was the most difficult of all. It was partially for us because we didn't have much knowledge about cybersecurity previous to that, and we had to learn side by side, and we had to also clear up the round. So basically what happened in that round was that there were a total of 75 questions, and 5 new questions were released every day. So we had that constant pressure every day that 5 questions have arrived, and we have to track them. And it was basically a capture the flag round. And yeah, so let me also introduce you about capture the flag rounds. In capture the flag, what you have to do is that you are given with some hints, and you are given a file, and you have to apply cybersecurity knowledge in order to get a string from that file, which is called a flag. And when you submit that, you get points for that corresponding flag. So that was the kind of challenges, and in that challenges I would say that you should be having knowledge about cybersecurity tools such as Binbok, StegHide, StegCracker, steganography knowledge, cryptography knowledge, and knowledge about file extension types, Morse code, and these are basically parts of cryptography only. So the challenges were mostly based on that. So we were able to clear that also, and after that the finale came. In finale, uh, it was also a capture the flag round this time, but the main catch in this round was that we had to solve two questions in 2 hours, and we had only 2 hours to solve them. After that time, the old questions were deleted and new ones were present, and we had to solve them. So that was the pressure on us.
Yes, you can't solve a question in 1 hour or 2 hour because they are, as of finale the difficulty level was much high and our knowledge was not that much. So actually we solved half of the questions of total question and we secured first
Actually,
position.
even if you have knowledge, then also there are multiple ways that you can try on a particular file, because
Yes, yes,
if
yes,
you
yes.
don't have any idea that in which direction to go, you cannot solve it in 1 hour. So that was the main challenge, that we had to remain calm and focused, and we had to apply whatever knowledge we had, and we had to figure out the right direction, that in which way we have to went.
And also the leaders were in our room in the Zoom meeting, constantly watching us for 9 to 10 hours, constantly there and constantly seeing us what we are doing. So that was another kind of challenge. We have to communicate with our teammates on that room only in presence of Deloitte leaders, not freshers or something. Deloitte leaders, they were working there in from 5 to 6 years or 10 years.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll also tell you about the kind of questions we had in the finale. So there were two reverse engineering questions. There were two questions based on JavaScript, in which there were it was basically web exploitation. We were given some JavaScript code and we had to break that. And there were two questions based on steganography, one question based on cryptography, and one coding question.
How was your personal experiences while going through this 6 month tenure?
All
Okay,
of us actually motivated each other. Whenever morale was of one of us was down, we motivated each other.
यार लॉकडाउन में काफी ज्यादा ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस आ जाते हैं, मतलब प्रेशर स्ट्रेस काफी कुछ हुआ लॉकडाउन में, and this was an unusual situation for us and first time situation. So we have to tackle, we have to like keep our morale up for and inspire other teammates also to do this. Like it was 6 months. 6 months is a very long time, so you know coping up with it is a difficult challenge. You just have to focus on it and
Working,
you,
yeah, go on. Sorry.
and yeah, you have to work on other things also if you are not so sure about this. Like we were sure that we will get something from it. Like we had interest in cybersecurity, so we were sure about it. So if you are not so sure, you have to work on other technologies also. Shouldn't miss about college placement.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
moreover, when we were working on that, the round 2.2 was a 16-day long challenge. So when we were working on that, naturally our interest towards cybersecurity grew too much, and we kept on working towards it in during after that event also. And we were basically preparing for our finale. So that was the main motivation behind, because we had developed that great interest in this field.
okay, that's great. But it is like a consultancy company, like, है ना?
Mm-hmm.
So it do they have these technical jobs also? Like since you are in cybersecurity, your interest are in this. So technically, they providing some these projects or something, or it is consultancy work only, like analyst job or this?
Uh, like you must have heard about like they provide you with laptops and you can't insert your pen drives in it, like it will get encrypted. So this is a basic job, layman language. So this will be a basic job of cybersecurity analyst, and there are many others because everything is virtual. We are working with clientele of the US, so the sending of data, it is called crucial data, so that when we communicate with our clients in other countries, so it need to be encrypted, and that all need to be care of, and it comes in this department only.
So basically, you are the BSF of Deloitte, like protecting them from these attacks,
Yes,
cyber
yes,
attacks.
yes, yes, yes.
Basically, the role of analyst in such a company is that he or she has to use his technical skills in order to assess a particular business and get some insights through it. So you are actually in such a kind of company. You may not be developing new products as oftenly, but you will be using your technical knowledge that you have on solving business challenges.
Where do you all see yourself after 5 years? Like, what are your future plans?
This is an HR question. Okay. I think as of me, I think I will be in a leadership position in Deloitte only.
Same. Actually, we had similar goals.
Yeah.
So, like, it's three musketeers going everywhere together.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yeah.
Actually, as of now we don't know what we will be doing, but most probably we will be together.
That's the good thing, that you are very determined, that you will be always together in this journey of life. So did you have a plan for some backup or something, like if one of you didn't have qualified for stage one, then who will be your third partner?
Actually, we weren't actually thought that we three only would be making the team. It's just that we cleared that we discussed among ourselves that yeah, we all have to go in cybersecurity. That was the time that we thought that now yeah, we have to make a team again.
ये सोच लो कि जब मैंने टेस्ट दिया I was in my hometown, so they didn't know I have given the test, and when they gave the test they were in the hostels, so I didn't know they gave the test. And after clearing, I saw the results, and they saw the results, and they said, "You also given, like, let's make a team. Why not make a team with ourselves only? Like, we know each other from 3 years, and we have worked in projects earlier also."
Message would you like to give to your fellow UITians?
So if you are in your first year, just enjoy. Okay, don't run behind learning different languages and all. There is a lot of time available. You may do that in your future years, but for now I would say that just enjoy. And regarding advice regarding CCTC, I would say that if you have some knowledge or particularly interest to learn cybersecurity, then I would say that you should start doing capture the flag challenges. One of a good website for practice those type of challenges is Pico CTF. And alongside that, there are some good lectures available over YouTube on CTF challenges. Uh, uh, there are two challenges which I particularly watch. One is Live Overflow and one is John Hammond. You can follow that, and yeah, you must start preparing now. And it's not that difficult as it looks if you constantly work hard and if you are ready to put the amount of work or amount of hours that is required to qualify, then you surely qualify.
Yeah, just work for 1 hour a day from your first year, and you will be at much bigger heights than us. That time is enough for practice.
In start, I think you should explore your options, that in what
Yes, yes,
technologies
yes.
or what fields you want to work. Don't rush like according to trends, like he's doing this, so I should also do this, and my
Mhm.
friends are doing this, so I should also do this.
Yeah,
Explore your fields in your starting year.
there is also rat race. Everyone is doing coding, coding, coding. You have to become a software engineer, software engineer. So don't rush behind that also. Find your interest first, and then go for it.
I would like to thank Naman Bhaiya, Sarthak sir, Rajat sir. Thank you for joining us.